Hello guys, my name is Sarjot from Witfeed, aka Robin. Yesterday I received my parcel that I was eagerly waiting from a few days. I had ordered this parcel nearly 2 weeks back, I think, and the parcel includes my favorite Polo T-shirt and my favorite, very favorite sweatshirt. So let's see the and check the quality of these two apparels. So these are the apparels that I have received yesterday, and you can see, and its quality is looking quite premium. If you can check, if you can see, and the print is non-cracking and non-bubbling, and its material is quite elastic. Uh, Seems to be that it will last longer than my age. And let's check the stitches of the armpit area. Yeah, that's fine. And under the sleeve, stitching finishing is okay. And let's check its hem. As we can see that hem stitching is looking quite premium, and it's the corner stitching is okay. And this is the label that I had customized for my sweatshirt to start my brand, that is Robin Clothing. I have received these two samples, as you can see, and the stitching of these across corners is almost okay. Okay, and the designing and embedding of the logo in the piece of cloth is proper. So let's move into the other sample, that is my Polo T-shirt. As you can see, its fabric is looking like sweat soaking that I felt, and it's highly comfortable fabric, and its buttons are non-blingy and of dull shade that are looking quite premium. And this is my label, as we have already seen on my other apparel. So all in all, I am fine with this piece of cloth too. And let's check its back. Wow, man, wow. How beautiful it is looking. Okay. So in this way, you can also order customized t-shirts from, or any type of activewear apparel from Tapstitch, and also you can start your own business by selling these apparels. So let me test while wearing these apparels for you. So how am I looking? Am I looking another or improved version of Karan Aujla or not? Seriously, I like this sweatshirt very much, and I have waited much to get this. So yesterday, finally my wish was fulfilled. So let me try the other one for you too. So how am I looking? Am I looking fine or something above than that? You can say a pure masterpiece. So at last I want to tell you that if you too want to customize or modify your clothing or any kind of activewear, you must opt for Tapstitch. And as a humble beginning, you can try this to start your own online fashion brand, right? As it has no upfront fees or but you have to pay for the store, remember, right? So links are in description for this. If you want extra privileges when you start your business with Tapstitch. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead. See you. Bye bye.